Scaling e-commerce requires constant tweaks. AI does them daily. We'll set up a Shopify AI stack that optimizes copy, visuals, ads, and upsells. First, GPT rewrites product descriptions in multiple tones. SEO, story-driven. Urgency-based. Midjourney generates lifestyle photos and mock-ups. Next, AI analyzes abandoned carts and sends personalized recovery emails. Ads are improved. GPT writes 10 copy variants, Midjourney creates creatives, and AI rotates them in tests. Upsell flows are automated. Bot X right pointing arrows show why. Support is handled by bots. Trained on FAQs, escalating complex cases only. Analytics dashboards show ROAS, AOV, LTV, with GPT writing weekly insights. Red Hoodie Plus Lifestyle Ad boosted ROI 34%. By the end, you'll have a self-optimizing store. Content, ads, emails, and support all AI assisted.